Tired of yelling at your Switch during intense multiplayer battles, wishing your teammates could actually hear you? Using a headset mic with your Nintendo Switch isn't as straightforward as plugging it in, but don't worry, it's easier than you think. Here's the definitive guide. First, forget plugging directly into the Switch itself. Instead, we're going to focus on the headphone jack on your controller. Simply plug your headset's 3.5mm audio jack into the headphone port on the bottom of your Nintendo Switch Pro controller or Joy-Con controllers while docked. Now, for voice chat to work, you need the Nintendo Switch Online app on your smartphone or tablet. This app is essential for in-game voice communication. Open the Nintendo Switch Online app and start or join the voice chat for the game you're playing on your Switch. Make sure you grant the app microphone permissions. That's it. You should now be able to clearly communicate with your teammates. Enjoy your newly enhanced gaming experience. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Nintendo Switch tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments which games you'll be using your headset with.